Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mender Rider Shruti. Well, this ride is basically the ride that I did from Murdeshwar to Gokarna and Gokarna back to Pune. So enjoy. So this is the place where I am staying currently. This is Sunset Cafe in Gokarna. It has a direct view for sunset. In the evenings, this place is very crowded. It has amazing food and it really has a peaceful environment around. Hello guys, so we are currently at Gokarna and the place where I'm staying, its name is Sunset Cafe. It's a beautiful place. I have already added the view from here, the sunset. As the name says, Sunset Cafe, and that actually it actually shows with the view that it has. It's seriously very beautiful. Everybody should definitely come here at least once. The owner here, he's very friendly. Tomorrow while I'm going to Om Beach as well as Kudale Beach, I guess, yeah, so both the beaches early morning I'll be going because I don't have time. I have to leave for Pune in the afternoon, so mostly I'll cover those parts in the daytime, early mornings basically, and that's the plan. So let's see how it goes. But then yeah, I'm enjoying this place. It's a lot of peace, and that's the whole reason my sound has also gone down because I'm really in that zone wherein I'm enjoying the calm and quiet place that Gokarna is. I feel that everybody should definitely come here. Both the places, Murdeshwar and Gokarna, both did not disappoint me. They really turned out to be the best places that I could have ever been at. So that's it for today. Let's see how the night goes here. Looks like it's a very lively place, so I'll still keep adding some videos. Take care, bye bye. Good morning guys. So I just thought of going for a morning ride. I mean, not just a very long ride, but then just a short one. So there is Kudale and Om Beach nearby. I thought of covering those. So I am walking towards my bike. So that's the place where I stay, where I am currently staying, which is Sunset Beach Cafe. So I'm walking towards the bike now. Good morning. It's like Pepper had company in the night. Hope you guys want to see that. So she was with Royal Enfield and Pulsar. So this is where I parked my bike. So there is this Deva Samudra resort. They had a parking which was paid parking. This is the entrance, and if you guys can see there, that's where I walked in from. I mean that if you walk there straight and then take a left, that is where all the shacks and all the resorts, homestays and everything starts. So that is where is my room as well. This is also a good resort, Deva Samudra. Beautiful morning. Let's ride. Let's open the gate. So it's an unfortunate situation. I mean, I wanted to go out, ride along the way, but then unfortunately the gates are locked and I could not find the one who can unlock it for me. So let's wait. I'll wait for another half an hour, and if I don't find anyone, I'll go back to the room. I'll have my breakfast and then I'll leave. While leaving, what I can do is I can go to Om Beach and Kudle Beach and check out if I can find something. I mean, I can shoot something. That's the best that I can do. So till then, I will be enjoying the beach and I'll sit here for some time. That's what I can do as of now. It's so peaceful and so beautiful, trust me. This beach is superb and amazing, guys. Look at the view behind me. So a lot of people have started coming. They have started to take walk, enjoy the beach, the morning walk. And some have set their tent and they are sleeping in it. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. So finally, there was this guy who had come up and opened the gate for me. So now when the gates are open, I could leave from there, and now I've decided to ride towards the Om Beach. So we'll be trying to finish off with Om Beach and Kudle Beach, but if possible only then, or else I'll just have to go to the Om Beach and return back. Om Beach. These are the stairs that we have to take while we are walking towards Om Beach. Well, it's quite a lot of stairs, but with such a beautiful view, there's no harm taking stairs, isn't it? आर्म्स का माप चालू. Good morning. This is how basically Om Beach looks like. Basically, Om Beach has that Om symbol. I mean, if anybody records it from a drone, can easily see. It has that Om sign. That's the whole reason this beach is called as Om Beach. So after Om Beach, if you go further, there is Kudli Beach. But unfortunately, due to the time, see, you can see the Om. I have very less time and I have to leave back for home. So that's the reason I can't wait longer. I will have to leave, but Om Beach looks beautiful. I mean, so we were at Om Beach, and I have already added the view, how it looks like. Now I'm planning to go back to my room and pack my things and get set to go. Once again, take a look at the last time how this beach looks like. It's very beautiful, and the best part is you have benches and things to sit. If you see, there are seats somewhere or the other, and the rocks as well are somehow pretty here to climb and sit on it, because I saw a few people shooting and clicking pictures walking up there. It's a beautiful view, guys. Om Beach is superb. There are homestays as well here. I can show you, but then I don't see it now which is here. So I'm climbing up the stairs. So you have to take stairs while you are coming to Om Beach. Stairs, stairs, stairs. It just doesn't end, isn't it? If you have to reach somewhere, you definitely need to do all the mehnat. Some more stairs. Some more again. Oh God, सुबह सुबह चाय नाश्ता कुछ नहीं किया और मेहनत अलग. Finally. So we are riding back to the place where I'm staying, and then we quickly pack our bags and leave for Pune. Basically, I'm already late. I was supposed to leave early in the morning, but because I did not want to miss Om Beach, so I just thought of coming here and at least visiting Om Beach. So let's just pack our bags quickly and head towards Pune. Vacation's over. guys, this is how my room looks like. Please ignore the mess. So the Gokarna room that I had taken, this is the room and this is the view. And this is the exit. So guys, we are leaving from Gokarna and I am leaving for Pune directly. This all, the bike is being decked up, if you could see, and we have people as well who are here to say goodbye. Bye. I could not shoot much while I was leaving from Gokarna. Basically, I was very tired, and moreover, I was not sure what to speak further or maybe shoot further. I was filled with a lot of mixed emotions and just few things that I had experienced and I really would want to share. I'm grateful that I took this ride and it turned out to be the best. I somehow enjoyed riding solo, and as it was my first solo ride, I took a lot of precautions as well. When I reached home, I was surprised to see my family and a warm welcome that they gave. It was emotional and I was moved. Overall, this was an amazing ride which I can never forget. The moments will be treasured. Not always we have the opportunities to spend time with ourselves. That independent time is always important for everyone, isn't it? But last but not the least, thank you everyone for being there, watching these videos that I had been uploading and enjoying it as well. The comments and feedbacks that you guys gave me were noted, and I'll try my best to implement those and be the best version of myself in the next videos that I'll be uploading. Please, please, please leave your comments and do not forget to subscribe, like and share as many love as you can. Thank you once again. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.